Hi, this is Classic Techart, and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a simple arrow design. This is upper side, or it's a sign, one kind of sign. It's indicator. It's indicating something. Today it may be way, or it may be something. So this is very simple, and it takes this a little bit time. So I'm gonna talk, I'll start, and please let's begin today. So first of all, I needed to put a bit smaller and keep to the counter side. Yes, as you can see, I'm gonna keep it in here. And what I need to do is I needed to go over here and I just select start tool, and I needed just to come break over here. You see, it's a default setting, not a default setting, but I setting this one. I like the 3. Okay, but May 6 or 7 or 5, I don't have a good idea what it is. But this is I setting this 3. Here I type the 3. Okay, see, it's how happened I don't know, but I needed to correct position. So what should I do? I need to just like that. So of course I done a little bit bigger. I need to change the color. I should close all the things, but I need the stroke color back or whatever you. Okay, I will step up over here. So I need to now just to object and expand all the things at a time. And I need to now just to go over here a little bit. Oh, I have done a mistake. I cannot do anything. Okay. And these things. So I need to now just to like that and go over here, rectangle there, balance like that. A little bit this one. Okay. But I mistaken over here. I need to just fill color. Sorry, dear guys, for that mistaken. So I need to just do the center. I think it's better. So I need to now just put it to the center. Yes, I've done. So I needed to change the color, go over here. There, oh my god, happen there. I needed just I needed to expand over here. Okay, I think it will colors close, but I needed this color and a little bit bigger. It's opaque. Yeah, maybe. Yes, it's okay. So I need it now just to change the color. Oh, sorry, that's taken again. I just needed to change the color over here. I need it those. I need it like that. Okay. Oh, sorry again. I mistaken. Okay, so that you see. already done, and exactly I have done it. So I think I need to now just to add all the things. Sorry for that. I think I needed just to get the I I should go to the object span to will know more how it is right now. Okay. So same all the things. But I need to now just type over here, go to change this color. I need to type for arrow. Sorry, arrow. Okay. So I need it over here and a little bit bigger. I think it's more fantastic. So I need to now just create outline it a little bit more better. I think that color, I think it's okay. So no difference between, I think, totally very good and perfect arrow design. So this is all, guys. Thanks for watching.